Show me your hands, show me your hands.
Nobody move.
Don't stand up, get your hands behind your back.
Hands up, nobody move.
Right, so you're under arrest on suspicion of supplying crack cocaine. So we saw you earlier in a drugs exchange. We stopped that person and they got crack cocaine on them, so we think you supplied them, okay? So you're under arrest on suspicion of that. So, that's the reason you've been arrested. Do you understand that? So what we're going to do now is search you and a post-arrest search power. So that's section 32 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act.
I bought some myself.
You bought some yourself, did you? Have you got any drugs on you?
No, I smoked it.
You smoked it, have you? Okay,